Forex Basics. What is the foreign exchange market? The world of finance is vast and ever-changing, with one of the largest and most active markets being the foreign exchange. The foreign exchange, commonly known as Forex or FX, is a decentralized market for exchanging national currencies. This market covers the buying, selling and exchanging of currencies at current or agreed upon prices, playing a crucial role in supporting international trade and investment. In terms of trading volume, Forex stands out as the largest market globally, with a daily volume surpassing $7 trillion in 2022. The first characteristic of the Forex market is that it is decentralized. Forex is traded over the counter, OTC, which means that transactions happen between two parties rather than on a centralized exchange. The second characteristic of Forex is that it is a 24-hour market. Forex hubs exist in various time zones, made up of an electronic network of market participants of all sizes, allowing Forex to be traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The main Forex trading hubs, in order of trading volume, are London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. London has been the world's largest Forex market since the 1980s and holds 38% of market volume as of 2022. Although Forex is traded 24 hours, not all hours are equal. Some periods are more liquid than others, which usually means that these timings offer lower spreads. The period with the largest trading volume is when the London and New York market hours intersect, which happens from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. UK time. Liquidity also differs between currencies, with the US dollar being by far the most traded currency in the world, followed by the euro and then the Japanese yen. The Forex market is participated in by banks, brokerages, institutional investors, companies and individual traders. Banks are the largest players in the Forex market, accounting for over half of all volume. The foreign exchange market is vast and dynamic, with 24-hour trading and multiple participants from around the world. Whether you're an individual trader or a large financial institution, the Forex market offers endless opportunities for trading and investment. Make sure to click the subscribe button for more videos like this.